The FICEP Enterprise 12 CNC drilling line represents one of the most innovative new lines from FICEP in recent years. This system incorporates 3 high-performance CNC-controlled spindles that automatically and independently move and work to process all 3 surfaces on structural steel shapes. Using 3 independent heads, we can obtain a high productivity. This new model is rapidly gaining popularity in the market thanks to its high productivity and the competitive quality of its products. A powerful material positioning system secures and advances the section for precise processing. As the section advances to the drill, the material length is automatically measured and the location of the leading end is established. The material positioning and measuring carriage utilizes a precise dual rack and pinion system to position and measure the section. Once the leading end of the section enters the line, the non-datum clamps adjust automatically to the section size that is to be processed. A system of probes sense the mill tolerance deviation of the section, so it can immediately notify the drill position according to the actual section parameters. Independent vertical and horizontal roller clamps secure the section during drilling and positioning. The Enterprise 12 features 3 high-performance drill heads, each complete with a drilling spindle of 15 kilowatts, which can carry out not only drilling operations, but also other activities such as countersinking, tapping, and milling. The 3 drill heads take advantage of one single ball screw, which is used by the vertical head to reach the Y-axis position and by the 2 horizontal heads for drill head feeding. The 3 massive drill heads feature a ball screw precision feed to utilize today's high-performance tooling, such as carbide inserts, in a most productive fashion. These carbide tools feature drill penetration rates that exceed those of tools with high-speed inserts by 4 to 5 times. The high rate of feed, in conjunction with the spindle drives that develop 3,000 RPMs, reduces the required tool pressure and generates small drill chips rather than long spirals that are so typical when drilling structural steel with twist drills. The Enterprise model can easily work on heavy sections, thanks to its 3 oversized drill heads, the high rotating speed of its spindles, and its robust spindle guiding. 3 lineal tool change rails, each with just a simple in and out motion, make automatic tool changing extremely reliable. Up to 6 different tools can be accommodated on each head of the Enterprise 12. Once a tool is selected for the first time, a laser measures the tool length and automatically enters the data into the CNC control without operator involvement. The automatic tool changer, in conjunction with the positive ball screw feed of the drilling head, not only provides for high-performance drilling, but also countersinking, tapping, and milling, which is ideal to accommodate those requirements for slotted holes. The CNC-controlled tracks tool wear to determine even when it is time to automatically change to a second tool of the same diameter, for example. Additional manual layout is totally eliminated with the scribing capability that can perform part making, layout lines, or welding symbols on 3 surfaces with the scribing tool in conjunction with the FICEP software. Each massive drill head is guided with dual prismatic ways to achieve maximum stability. Lubrication of all critical points on the Enterprise 12 is accomplished with an automatic centralized lubrication system. The FICEP Enterprise 12 CNC drilling line can be provided with a rotating marking unit The Enterprise 12 can be furnished with a CNC-controlled FICEP engineered and manufactured bandsaw to function as an automated fabrication cell. The same CNC control that operates the drill also controls all functions of the sawing process. All CNC-controlled motions of the saw's clamps, guides, and the feeding of the head are guided on prismatic ways. The adjustable blade guide moves to the optimum location based on the depth of the section to be cut as commanded by the CNC program. The saw can pivot up to a maximum of 60 degrees in either direction automatically by program command. All miter adjustments are accomplished with an enclosed rack and pinion system in conjunction with a servo-controlled axis. Once in position, it is locked hydraulically for subsequent cutting. The independent dual horizontal material clamps engage the material automatically. The software recognizes the section that is being processed and rapidly advances the blade to the start position, which is just above the top of the flange. As the blade contacts the top of the flange, the feed rate is reduced until the blade is fully engaged in the material. The rate of feed increases until the blade contacts the webbed surface, where it is reduced due to the larger cross-section. After the web is cut, the feed rate returns to a more aggressive rate to finish the sawing process. With the completion of the cut, the gap between the finished part and the stock length is automatically increased to facilitate the withdrawal of the blade without contacting the material. As the blade exits the cut, a non-ferrous motorized brush rotates to disengage any chips that remain in the blade. The sawing unit can be equipped with an automatic swarfs conveyor. The CNC control, in conjunction with our proprietary software, performs such additional functions as provide an automatic blade conditioning cycle after the installation of a new blade and advises the operator when it is time to change the blade. When cutting deeper sections, stresses that are resident in the section from the rolling process can pinch the blade when cutting the web. The FICEP CNC-controlled saw employs an oscillation cycle in these cases to utilize the set of the teeth in the blade to increase the kerf of the cut and so to reduce the potential of pinching the blade. A variable speed drive motor, in conjunction with the gearbox, delivers both the optimum speed and torque to the blade. The FICEP CNC drill lines, in conjunction with a FICEP engineered and manufactured bandsaw located after the drill, offers a manufacturer the most productive and automated system available today in the marketplace. The combination of a carriage feed on the entry side for feeding material through the drill and then to the saw offers unparalleled automation. Regardless if 2 or 200 parts are processed from a mult, the operator only depresses the cycle start once, as all subsequent functions are fully automatic. This, in conjunction with the ability of the FICEP Drill Saw Tandem Systems multitasking software to achieve the ability to drill and saw simultaneously, are just a few reasons why FICEP is considered today's world leader in integrated systems technology. Is it not time to learn more about how FICEP can enhance the competitiveness of your firm in today's market? Give us a call to find out more about the extensive line of over 65 different CNC systems from FICEP.